Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different type of video for you guys. I'm going to do something I've been recently dabbling into, something I don't think I've ever shown on my channel before. It is a Teasy light mixed with a highlight. This is going to be regular stitches. We want a lot of dimension. We want to break up this orange brass she has. We want to keep her about a level or two darker, not as much darker, more just not brassy. A nicer warm tone, but we also want to add tons of dimension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint between every single piece of hair left out, and I'm going to do, basically bricklaying in the back, and on the sides go up on a slight diagonal, and I'm still going to do one Teasy light followed by one highlight. For the paint between of all the hair left out of the foils, I'm going to do Redken Shades EQ with 10 volume. My formula was 3N, 3G with 2ABN. I want to get as close as I can to her natural. She's like a level 2, not a 1, but a 2, 3-ish, depending. Some of the hair on the ends that's natural was lightened a little bit by the sun, which is normal. So I'm going to keep her in that 2.5 level range. For her lightener, I'm using just 20 volume with a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex, my Blonde Me Ride or Die. We are not looking for tons of lift. I just want to lift her about another 1.5, 2 levels, just to get her past a little bit more orange, more so yellow, so when it fades, it's not so orangey. You're probably wondering why I'm mixing Teasy lights with regular highlights, and the reason I'm doing so, the stitches are still a bigger stitch, a regular stitch. I'm not mixing baby lights and highlight stitches. They're all one regular stitch, but by doing a Teasy light, that's going to ensure that some of that dimension stays in the root area, and then by doing a highlight every now and then, that's going to break it up and still allow a few pieces to go a little higher. I'm not bringing them all the way up to the base of the root necessarily, but I feather them up a little higher with the regular highlights, and that's going to help break it up a little bit. And we will be smudging her root area as well to give her a nice rooted look. And of course, I'm going to be doing a beautiful money piece as well.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it, can't believe that I've been with someone like you.
So I'm continuing to work my way up horizontally in the middle, and then on the slight left and the right, I do a slight diagonal. I find that rolls with the head a lot better, and it gets every single area and you miss nothing. I love utilizing my board, Becky Miller board. She has this one, which is the extra long, and then the regular size, I believe they're like 20 bucks. I'll put her on the screen again. I do this every other video because I love it so much. Even if it's not hers, definitely check out a foiling board. It will help. I like using it especially underneath the nape of the neck and above the ear and the front. But also, lately I've been loving it with Teasy lights or lived in looks, doing a thicker stitch.
Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too.
Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you learned something here today. Look how beautiful this formula came out, and her root looks so nice and dimensional but broken up and still has pops all the way up. We're obsessed with it, and I hope you guys are too. Her hair feels great, shiny, healthy. She loves it, I love it, and I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think about these lived-in videos. Let me know what you want to see more of down in the comments below. I'm here for you guys more often. I'm going to be putting videos out 2 times a week again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now. Mwah.